Hello folks, Marvin here. So let me explain to you what needs to be done as a part of this assignment. Basically, all we have to do is to tweak the scene in the attached video that will reflect the write-up or captions on this particular scene. Now let me explain to you how it's supposed to be done. So for example, in your inquiry, you're seeing that you would have to update or tweak the scene for this video, such as vinegar on bed bug bites. You click on Edit and select Scenes from the menu to your left. Then you would choose Images and not Clips. Make sure you choose Images and work through the scenes and see where the write-up is not matching the image that's appearing on the scene. For example, prior I started to this video, I updated scenes from 1 through 20. So let me go all the way down to the scene number 21, and I'll show to you in details of how the image is supposed to be updated to reflect the captions on it. Here's the scene 21. As you can see, the image is showing that someone is squeezing the lemon. However, the caption states, "These products keep bed bugs away by all means possible." Well, this write-up is not reflecting the image on the scene. You have to get a general understanding of what this message conveys. As you can see, this message conveys the statement such as "keep away." So what you do then, you type "keep away" in the box to your left, since you already selected images, and click Go. Vidnami will pull up the images available in its database for that particular matter. And you'll just select the best appropriate image that'll state "keep away." For example, I like this one. You click on the image and you will see the image will appear. You don't have to do anything else. It's already saved on the scene and the scene was automatically updated. If you don't like the image you selected, you can select another one. But I like the one that I previously selected, so I'll stick to it. So the image is saved on the scene. Then you go down to the list of the next scene number 22. Not sure why it's transitioned to the next scene. However, it talks about the lemon scent. Let's type lemon scent. And it will provide us some images available in the Vidnami database, or just lemon. To make it easier, I think it's a nice image. There you go. And it's already saved in the scene. Then you go to the next scene. Again, please read carefully to what's written in the captions. To ensure you keep off all the bed bugs, you should spray your plants, couches, mattresses, bed sheets, etc. Looks like Vidnami already selected the image that matches the write-up. Great, there's nothing else that needs to be done here. Please keep in mind that if you see the image that's already reflecting the write-up, no changes needed. All you have to do is to make the updates to those that are not reflecting the write-up. Let's look at the number 24. Number 24 talks about a link availability that will be placed on YouTube eventually for those that are looking for a solution from bedbugs to consumer product. Caption states you will be able to find a link for this product below this video in the description below. So what I would do in this case, I would try to grab a viewer attention, and I think a word important will serve that purpose. Because we're making an important update at the middle of this video, that link will be displayed down below. I will choose this particular image to satisfy the need for this scene. Good enough. Moving down the list. Number 25 talks about prevention. Then we use word prevention and try to find an appropriate image that will cover that matter. I think this one is good enough, because what we're trying to basically show with the viewer of how a bedbug infestation could be prevented going forward. Number 26 again talks about prevention. Prevention better than the cure. We can use the same image for that matter. That's pretty much it. All you have to do is to review all the scenes that'll be in the assigned video to you and work on, and select the appropriate images out of the Vidnami database to reflect the captions. Please make sure that you are not using any uploads from either your own sources or available online. You can only use images, they are proprietary images, that's provided by Vidnami tool. Obviously, you will be provided login credentials that will allow you to log into my account and do the assigned work. When you're done changing the images, you don't have to do any additional saving. All you have to do is just go back to my videos, and this video will have all the changes already in it. When you will be working on your first assignment, please make sure that you only open and edit the video that's indicated in the requirements, and you are not touching any other videos that you will see at the time when you log in. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your future help.